Oh, what's up, guys? Guess what we got here? Football. Let me flip this screen. Football. It's time to shoot some footballs. I forgot how many of them we got. I always forget the count. I think it's 20. Let's count them. Let's not guess. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20, right, Just Buddy? Okay, we got 20 footballs. I'm gonna use a Glock 19 as usual, and Glock 19. I'm using a 9mm hollow points, Federal, and these are the HST ones. How many grains? 124 grains, 9mm, and this is how it looks for all you people out there. Okay, all right, let's go ahead and get busy. How many do you guys think it will take to stop a hollow point? 10, 15, 9? Okay. Okay, just better. You want to kind of... All right, here we go. None of them moved. Okay. Lost the air, that's for sure. There's the hole right there. I should have put it on the orange side, but anyway, it went right inside the black right there. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. The hole's getting a little bigger. 5. There's some stuff here. 5, 6. Some particles right there. 7. No, that's just the rubber. 7, 8, 9. Oh, 9 of them. Okay, here, hold the camera. There's a big piece here. I just didn't bring a knife with me to open it. It's not working. You have a knife on you? No? I'm gonna get it out. Just here we go. Let's do it on the table. Oh, that's cool. There it is. And that's how it looks like. Okay, so I was shaking it earlier, and there were some sounds from inside the football. I'm just assuming it's just rubber or plastic, and because the bullet's all kind of together, I don't see any pieces of it missing, as you can tell. That's how it looks. And this is 9mm hollow point from Federal, and that's that. Okay, I hope you guys enjoyed that. And what was it? I forgot the count again. Was it 9? That was 9 footballs it took to stop a hollow point from a 9mm. So if you do have between 8 to 10 footballs, it can save your life. Just hide behind the footballs. I'm assuming if I ever was to do it with a full metal jacket, it'll probably end up going through more, maybe 20, who knows. Maybe we'll just do that later this week, shoot it with the full metal jacket 9mm, see what happens. All right, don't forget to subscribe please, and leave in comments what you guys want me to shoot next, and also give it a thumbs up if you guys liked it. And maybe this week I'll end up shooting soccer balls, basketball, or whatever is next. Until next time.